Strong winds played a role in knocking scaffolding off a 12-story building in Brooklyn this afternoon, injuring 3 people. CBS 2's Hazel Sanchez has more from Park Slope.
Tonight, crews delicately dismantled what little remained of the rooftop scaffolding at Parlor Condominiums on 4th Avenue in Park Slope, Brooklyn. Sunday afternoon, the FDNY says strong winds caused it to collapse onto patrons at Mission Dolores Bar next door.
I heard a loud bang, like a kaboom. I thought it was a tractor-trailer accident.
And I heard a crashing noise and looked up and saw the scaffolding coming off of the top of the building up there.
Joe Crittenden was helping his son move out of a nearby building. He saw the tangled metal and wood swinging violently in the wind, leaving deep gashes on the exterior wall.
You clearly ran for cover too then.
Well, when it came down, yeah, because the wind was blowing that much, I didn't know if it could blow over into this direction.
So Lee says some of the scaffolding slammed into the side of her 4th Avenue apartment building.
I felt it. I thought it was an earthquake.
From her rooftop, you can see where parts crashed through Mission Dolores' glass skylight. 3 people were hurt, 1 seriously.
And I heard some commotion outside and people were screaming. Firemen just getting people out. This one woman out on a stretcher, and she had a huge hematoma on her forehead, and she was unconscious.
Sales on the Parlor condominiums just started in the spring, but the building has not been without problems since construction began. The DOB website says the general contractor for the property has received a dozen construction safety violations this year, 5 in the month of June, including workers operating without the proper licensing.
It wasn't like a hurricane. It wasn't like a rainstorm. It was just a real strong wind. And the fact that it came down just wasn't done safely.
The DOB issued 4 violations to the contractor for not properly safeguarding the construction site, and because this scaffolding wasn't up to code. We were unable to reach the contractor for comment. In Park Slope, Brooklyn, Hazel Sanchez, CBS 2 News.